It be 50 cents and 50 CDs. Blessing upon blessing upon blessing. Shabba bidi shabba shabba bay. If I touch you, I go celebrate.
Guys, I dare you guys. Hey, if you're watching this and you've got a crush or a girlfriend, please just try to use 1 or 2 lines please, I just want to see the reaction, guys. Please just try to use 1 or 2
Shabba bay.
If I touch you, I must celebrate. It's just been an Aladdin.
They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon' be.
And we're back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Alright, so guys, as you can see, Poyoo stand up. Today we're gonna be reacting to Ay Poyoo.
Man,
BAE.
we wanna hear the bars.
We wanna hear those bars that you have to go use to obey. I think we might actually do a lyric prank to the song.
Yeah, for real.
If you want to see a lyric prank using these lyrics, please comment down below. We haven't heard the lyrics though.
Yes,
but then if you want us to, please let us know and we're gonna do it definitely, most definitely. And so without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Wait. Please guys, please like, share and subscribe. Guys, share to at least 5 friends. Just 5 friends. But other than that, Poyoo, comment down below. You already know the drill. Let's go, bro. Ay Poyoo is dropping bangers every day, my guy. Every day. All right, let's check this out.
Okay, strictly PG. It be 50 cents and 50 CDs.
Off the job, my guy. Off the job, bro. Hey, listen.
Okay, strictly PG. It be 50 cents and 50 CDs. Knock to the south, I go touch your body. Come for a hug, it be Poyoo, baby. You make others speak tongues. Shabba bidi shabba shabba bay.
Do you hear the bars though?
Knock to the south, I go touch your body. Come for a hug, it be Poyoo, baby. You make others speak tongues. Shabba bidi shabba shabba bay. If I touch you, I go celebrate. Cause you are my babe, and you go feel it. Shabba bidi shabba shabba bay. If I touch you, I go celebrate. Cause you are my babe, and you go feel it. African girl so natural. She be goddess, I be pastor. Najama go talk, I dey love her. Black skin girl, what a color. Intekuma, red roses. For my future, sweet girl this. African mother in blessing. Blessing upon blessing upon blessing. Shabba bidi shabba shabba bay. If I touch you, I go celebrate. Cause you are my babe, and you go feel it. Shabba bidi shabba shabba bay. If I touch you, I go celebrate. Cause you are my babe, and you go feel it. If you accept me, breakfast in bed, I promise, I mean every word that I said. African beauty, you are my girl. So every evening, ting-a-ling-a-ling, you be my Jasmine, I be Aladdin. Engagement or wedding ring, please accept me, make we do that thing. Aladdin.
You be Jasmine and I'll be Aladdin. Bro.
This is too much.
Let's go through that thing.
Engagement or wedding ring, please accept me, make we do that thing. Shabba bidi shabba shabba bay. If I touch you, I go celebrate. Cause you are my babe, and you go feel it. Shabba bidi shabba shabba bay. If I touch you, I go celebrate. Cause you are my bae, and you go feel it. Strictly PG, it be 50 cents and 50 CDs. Knock to the south, I go touch your body. Come for a hug, it be for your baby. You met at the speak tongues. Oh, woman me whoever. I'm a Masrata. Hey, Abiba. Veronica. Monica. Oh, Pamela. Jennifer. Oh, Amina. Because you are bad. That is why I like you. I mean, I love you. Watch out, the face of hip hop. No, the face of GH rap. No, the face of hip hop.
Don't get messed up. Don't get messed up. The beat was crazy, bro. But don't get messed up. That beat was crazy. Come on.
I don't sleep.
Don't leave Ay Poyoo. This man is working, bro.
There.
This man is working, dropping songs every day, bro. I shout out to him though. Shout out to him. Major vibe, like always.
Yes, sir.
Comedy, like always.
Yes, sir.
Guys, I dare you guys. Hey, if you're watching this and you've got a crush or a girlfriend, please just try to use 1 or 2 lines please, I just want to see the reaction, guys. Please just try to use 1 or 2. Hey, if I touch you, I must celebrate. I just been an Aladdin. Please, I'm gonna actually try that tonight, guys. You never know, you might get lucky, guys. You never know. Just try it. Ay Poyoo with the advice. Alright, so guys, that's it for the reaction video. I hope you like it, bro. I hope you like it. Share it and subscribe to the channel, guys. 2K loading. Let's get to 2K as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.
Much love to you guys for supporting the boy. Please go support this boy.
Yes,
subscribe
sir.
to his channel. I'll put the link in the description.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, is there anything else?
Yes, sir. Nothing, eh? Yes, sir.
Man, it's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Yes, sir.
That's pretty. I heard that. I didn't put up me.
Yeah, hey, hey, Sash, look, good vibe, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. 2 sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They're gonna be calling my name, hey. They're gonna be calling my name, hey. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be, yeah.